Let's make Aggrotech. First, let's set the tempo to 128 BPM and start with a punch click from our new sample pack. To add that hard distortion to the kick, let's make this unique. Clip, boost this, and take down lows. Then let's add some snares. And let's add some reverb to this. Then let's layer some claps to this. And add some closed hi-hats. After the first 8 bars, let's add some open hi-hats. And after another 8 bars at the second half of the drop, let's add some crashes. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a new sample pack, Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. The samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. And if you use the discount code DIN4, that's D34N4, you get $4 off during November. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we need a crunchy bouncy bass. And I'll just sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Now let's make a simple sub bass. Let's sidechain this and use EQ to take down the highs. Now let's add a dark droning lead. I'll sidechain this and turn down the lows. Let's add some pads to make the track feel a bit more atmospheric. Now we're gonna need some vocals.
Do not be afraid of this. Do not be afraid of this.
And let's add a lot of distortion to this. For that, let's first take down the lows.
Do not be afraid of the storm. Do not.
Do you feel the
Then use Decapitator.
Do not be afraid of the storm. Do not.
Then Camel Crusher.
Do not be afraid of the storm. Do not.
And then some slide reverb.
Do not be afraid of the storm. Do not.
Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add some heavy soul leads. I'll also layer some other sounds to this. Now let's sidechain this. Use some glue compression. And some EQ to take down lows. And then some pads for tension. I'll just sidechain this. Now since the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the builder. Let's start with the sub bass, the drone, and the vocals. And let's use this crash to transition into the builder. At the build-up, let's add the pads, then some build-up drums from my sample pack. Some rises. And some downlifters. I'll also add this scream sample just before the drop hits. Now let's just duplicate this and change things around at the second half. And let's also add the screech at the second drop. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.